What is abstract art? Imagine you're listening to a piece of music without any lyrics. There are no words to tell you what the song is about, but the rhythm, the melody, and the harmony together evoke a certain mood or feeling. You might feel happy, sad, energized, or peaceful just by the arrangement of sounds. Abstract art is like that music without words. Abstract art doesn't try to show you a picture of something that's recognizable. Instead, it uses colors, shapes, lines, and textures to create a visual experience that's open to interpretation. It's not about capturing a perfect sunset or the exact likeness of a person. It's about expressing an idea, an emotion, or some intangible essence. When you look at a canvas splashed with wild colors and bold strokes, you're not supposed to see a specific scene or object. Instead, you might feel the energy, the chaos, or the calm the artist felt as they created the work. Abstract art invites you to explore your own thoughts and emotions. It's a bit like a visual poem where the meaning isn't handed to you. It's something you feel and discover for yourself. So the next time you see a piece of abstract art, don't ask, what's it supposed to be? Instead, let yourself experience it. Think about how it makes you feel, what memories or sensation it brings up. There are no wrong answers because it's not a puzzle to be solved. It's an adventure for your eyes and your mind, and an encounter with pure, unfiltered expression.